Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check the mouse skates. So as you guys can see here, we got the mouse. Now the skates is basically what we got at the bottom of the mouse. So we got them right here. Now, if it is smooth, then that's great. But if it's not and it's scratchy, then it's worn. So for me, it is smooth, and what are we gonna do now is we want to glide test it. So let me quickly move this out of the way, and as you guys can see, it is definitely spinning very great. It's a fast mouse and it has no issues whatsoever. So as you guys can see, we can just have fun, rumble it around, and yeah, the mouse is pretty good itself. So for me, those mouse skates are in a good condition, but if they're not for you, then you can easily repair them. You can order them for, I'm thinking about like $15, even less, and you can replace them on your own. Of course, if you destroy your mouse and you wanted to simply take them off like this, then they will be a bit damaged. So make sure to not do that unless you got a very good reason to do so. And that's how you guys can easily check it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.